Good morning and welcome to day 167 of training for a marathon. I'm here at the Gold Coast Marathon Festival. I'll be doing the half in preparation for the Sydney Marathon. Anyway, let's get into it. It's quite dark here at the moment. The race will start 20 minutes before sunrise, so the first few shots will be a bit dark, but let's enjoy. Yeah. Now I'm going to do something that I never normally do before a run. I'm going to stretch today. Let's see if that helps. Something new. Alright, here we are lining up in the starting zones. So, it's a nice purple hue behind me. It'll be a beautiful sunrise.
Since we kicked off our first runners here this morning, Gold Coast, you're on the sidelines, you've got the coffees, you're waking up, let's share some love with our runners. On the count of three, let's hear it, Gold Coast, let's make our loudest cheers. 1, 2, 3! Yes! It's party time! Runners, I want to see some smiles, I want to see some energy from you guys. Thumbs up. Let's celebrate!
Let's do it.
It is a record turnout in the Asics Half Marathon. And it's going to be the best time. Today will be a special day for so many as they reach their goals.
Let's do it. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. Just remember, the race is against you, not everyone else around you. Unless you're an elite, then it is against everyone around you. Just here, enjoy the race. And that's 6. Oh, time for a margarita chew. That's 7. Third of the way. And that's 8. That's 9. And that's 10K. That's 11. And that's 12. 12. 13. 14. 2/3 of the way. 1/3 to go. My left knee, it's killing me. It's alright. We'll push through. We'll make it. That's 15. That's 16. It's just a 5K now. Easy. Oh, really? 17. So close. 35 minutes to beat the PB. And it's 3.9K to go. I think I can do it. That's 18. 3 to go. 19. 2 to go. As we near the end of this marathon, the fact that I've only run 3 times in the last 4 weeks since the Brisbane half. I was in hospital 4 days ago. And being asthmatic in general. I am pretty happy with the effort. Even if I walk it through from now, still pretty good. So enjoy this last couple of Ks and the finish line video. That's 21 to go.
That's not a selfie stick, this is a selfie stick. Here he comes. Size matters. Well done, King.
You, baby. That's 2 in 1 month. And with that is the end of day 167, training for a marathon down here at the Gold Coast Marathon. Just completed the half in a new personal best record time of, I'll be down below. So thanks so much for joining and watching. I'm gonna go home and relax and then straight back to a 4-day trip for work tomorrow morning. Anyway, we'll see you next day when we begin, or rather we continue our training towards the Sydney Marathon. Anyway, thanks Gold Coast, it's been fun. Huh?